For the first problem here, we have if y equals ln of 1/3 times 1 plus e to the negative 2x, show that derivative of y respects to x equals 2/3 e to the negative y minus 3. So first, we want to take away the natural log. So we do e to the y equals 1/3 times 1 plus e to the negative 2x, which turns into essentially e to the y equals 1/3 plus 1/3 e to the negative 2x. And then we change that up, we get e to the negative 2x equals 3 e to the y minus 1. We just reorganize a little bit because that will help us later. Then we find the derivative of this first part right here, this thing right here. So it's, if there's implicit differentiation, so it's e to the y times dy dx equals 1/3 times negative 2 e to the negative 2x, and then we simplify that out. We just multiply 1/3 here, we just get negative 2/3 e to the negative 2x. And then since we have e to the negative 2x here, and the problem wants us to find this in terms of e to the y, we just plug this thing in for that. So we get e to the y times dy over dx equals negative 2/3 times 3 ey minus 1. We just multiply this negative 2 out, and then we just divide e to the y from both sides. So it's negative 2/3 times 3, because divide that out, minus e to the negative y. 1 over e to the y is just e to the negative y, equals 2/3 times e to the negative y minus 3. So we get that. Now, the second problem asks us to find the gradient of the curve e to the xy plus ln y squared plus e to the y equals 1 plus e at the point 0, 1. So this one it's just a classic implicit differentiation problem. We want to do e to the xy. We have to keep that to derive e to the xy. The first thing is e to the xy times y times x dy dx, because we have to find the derivative of the xy as well.